How to uninstall applications from Smart TV. If you want to uninstall or delete apps from your Samsung Smart TV, then it's pretty easy and straightforward methods to uninstall unwanted apps. Uninstalling apps from Samsung Smart TV will help you free up storage space on Samsung Smart TV. And if app is not working properly, then after reinstalling app will fix apps working on Samsung TV. Follow these steps for Smart TV to uninstall applications. Steps for new series TV, A, B, C and D series. From the home screen, navigate to and select Apps. Scroll down and select App Settings. Navigate to the app you'd like to uninstall. On the pop-up window below the app, select Delete. Select Delete on the pop-up window, then select Done. Steps for Series TV, K, M, and N series. Press the Home button on your One remote. Using the directional pad on your remote, navigate to and select Apps. Select Options. Select the app that you want to delete. For this example, select Smart IPTV. Select Delete. Select Delete again. Steps for TV, E, F, H and J series. From the Smart Hub panel, select Apps. Select My Apps. Select the Options icon on the top of the screen. Select Delete My Apps from the Options menu. Select the app that you want to remove. Select Delete at the top of the screen. To confirm the delete, select Yes. Select OK to delete the app successfully. That's it. This is how you delete or uninstall app from Samsung TV.